Anda ingin membuat media roda putar seperti ini? Atau seperti ini? Atau yang ada fotonya seperti ini? Ini dia tutorialnya. Ketikkan di Google, Wheel of Name. Ini adalah tampilan awal websitenya. Pertama, cara mengetikkan nama-nama yang perlu dimasukkan. Kedua, cara mengubah tampilan dan warna.
Never give up, that was always the plan. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone.
Ketiga, cara memasukkan gambar atau foto.
Yeah, everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes, but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home, on my own, in the zone. That's the only way I know, feeling low, about to blow back up. I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin.
Semoga bermanfaat dan selamat mencoba. Kalau sudah, tinggal share linknya.